Hey YouTubers, so I got my hair done. Right cut. And this is my Malaysian hair. And Malaysian curly. And it is 24, 26, sorry, 24, 26, and a 28. But I cut the 28 because it was not blending with my other ones because I had bleached it and the bleach really relaxed the curls and stuff. So yeah, it's not as curly as it was before, but it's nice. I like it. So far, I'm liking it. I decided to put bangs in because I haven't had bangs in a long time, and I'll just, when I want it to be a flat iron, I'll flat iron it. But so far, I like it. It's nice. Of course, there's gonna be some shedding because it's been bleached and stuff, and like, as you can see, yeah. There you go. Yep, just two. But I like this hair so far. When I get further into this, I'll probably have a dyeing video because I did a strand test to see if the blue works. And it did. And these are the blues I'm using. The Adore products. This one is indigo blue and aquamarine and and chroma silk. The chroma silk is going to be going on the bottom layer on my longest layer, and then I'll be using my two Adore products on the top parts. But I'm also buying a purple in Adore. I like Adore products. It's very nice. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. And what I realized, when I got it, the tube broke. It came all beat up like this, like upset. I got it from Amazon, but I realized when this goes on, it looks purple, but when you wash it out, it's blue. This is in cobalt blue, actually. Or just blue, never mind. On Amazon, it's a cobalt blue, but you know. But, this is what I get further in. Oh, and I left out some leave out right here. Even though you probably can't see it. But yeah, I left out some of my hair. Yeah, there you go. Look crazy. This green part. And I got a good amount of new growth too, because it used to be all the way down here, but now, yeah. And I am also going to be starting Hairfinity. I will tell you about that when I get it, because I'm ordering it next week probably. And I want to see if Hairfinity can work for me because my hair grows fast, but it's just not fast enough. I want it to grow quicker than what it is, so yeah, we're gonna be trying out some Hairfinity. Oh, okay, well, let me see what you guys to see what it looks like in the back. So it looks like in the back. Alright. But thanks for watching. Name is Mighty aka Meezy. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Tell me what you see. Tell me what you want to know more. Follow me on Instagram, Mighty aka Meezy, same name as my YouTube. So thanks for watching this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.